Hi everybody, it's Harry Drake. I'm here with my reflection on my course. It's more like a self-critique for me. This is the picture you're used to seeing when you see my post. And I am sorry for being behind the class. I know we're all busy, we have lives, but I have found that one of my failings for the course is finding the time to get my homework done. So let's take a look at what I've done. It's all about the frameworks. I love doing my meme. I lost a whole summer trying to get fake internet points one year with memes. But this is what I've learned from this class. This is what I've taken away. That using technology in education for its own sake is a waste. We can add some efficiencies by doing things with technology that are difficult to do in a lecture. For example, here is my how-to video. And I'm also sort of proud of how I got around the Wii video when I couldn't export it, and I used the Screencast-O-Matic to capture it. And there are other things that I'm already pretty good at. For example, I've been using Word for so long that making this in drawings was pretty easy. I just understand how to make tables and how to arrange them. But this is not the technology use in education we're thinking about, right? I'll answer that question now. It's not. And that's where the models come in. What I need to do better, and this is what my reflection has brought me around to, is to continue to reference, especially SAMR, the SAMR model, but also, of course, the ISTE standards remind me as well to use technology in education at those higher levels of Bloom's and SAMR where students are creating new knowledge, not knowledge new to them, but new types of knowledge which they were able to access through technology use. And I'm starting to realize that's difficult. It takes some really divergent thinking. And that's where we're at. So moving on, I've made videos that are great and they make things more efficient with how-to videos rather than students using a book. However, it's simply not enough. The frameworks are the most important thing. And only by focusing on the frameworks or being part of the greater technology and education community am I really going to learn how to implement them and technology into my curriculum. I failed this course by not fully being part of it. My comments to other people are just flattery. There's not much depth. And we all have time problems. I'm sorry about that. I'm pretty sure where I succeeded is first gaining skills with new programs, because using those programs and apps, they're going to allow me to work technology into my curriculum that brings up to a modern level. Because classes like mine, woodshop or vocational education, really has not had much innovation for a long time. In fact, the terminal degree for vocational education is a Master's of Science in Vocational Education. Only 3 colleges here in Pennsylvania offer it. I shouldn't take such big pauses like this. We're coming up on 5 minutes. Thanks for your time. I really appreciate it. Goodbye, everybody. I'll see you in another class.